Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making these amazing chicken chow mein. Now let's cook. So guys, I'll be cutting around 3 to 4 chicken breasts in strips. So guys, I'll be seasoning and marinating my chicken with Maggi all-purpose season, some soy sauce, and also garlic, chopped garlic in oil. And I'm just gonna leave that to marinate for about 30 minutes. So guys, now that I've added my water and it starts to boil, I'll be using these Emirate macaroni noodles, and I'm just going to coat those according to the package instructions. Now you'll find the instructions on the back of the package. So now I'll be adding a skillet to heat, then I'm going to add oil. And I'm just going to be sauteing my chickens for about 5 minutes. Now I'll be sauteing my vegetables for about 30 seconds in a wok because I really don't want them to overcook, guys. And now at this point I'm adding my chicken. I also went ahead and add some bok choy because I love bok choy and I had some in the fridge, so I just decided to incorporate them in there. Now guys, I'll be making my sauce for my noodles. So I'm using oyster sauce, sesame oil, soy sauce, and about a tablespoon of brown sugar, and I just want to mix that. I'll also be using about 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Now I'm adding my noodles to my vegetables. Guys, I also add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Yeah, just a tablespoon. I also went ahead and add some black pepper to it, just FYI. Guys, I'll be adding some chili pepper just to give it a little kick, and I'm gonna leave that to just cook for another 20 seconds, and yeah, we're about finished. And there you have it, guys. Our meal is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch another video. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.